Alright, what's up everybody? We are back. It is oddly like bright and nice, but it's not nice. It's still like 30 some degrees. It's like 36 or 37. But we're back. We're gonna try to figure out where the G spot is on this bad Jesse here and get that sensor removed. So if we can get the damn hood open. It's back here somewhere, so yeah, I guess let's figure that out. So it's actually on this side, right down here. You can't see because the fucking, dude, I have the ISO turned all the way down too, so I don't really know how to go about that. Maybe we'll throw a phone clip in real quick. Well, unfortunately, it's just, it won't even tighten anymore. It's just spinning. It's not loosening. It's just stuck in this loop. So I figured it out. There's this little fucking like clip that goes around that piece there, and then it just pops out. So I ordered the wrong one, like a Dumbo. Hopefully I didn't fuck the housing up. Lift off, baby. Lift off. Jack me off, daddy. Yeah. Aww. Okay, so her car is done. The battery is dead. It's the next morning, and I realized my fucking phone decided to shit out on me and not record properly. So yeah, we got some clips that probably aren't gonna make it through, or we're just gonna have like short clips. I don't know what my plan is, because I got some bike footage, and then I got some car footage, and then I'm working on more car footage, and then the mini bikes and stuff that we gotta keep working on. So we might go back to double videos a week, maybe like bike videos on Monday and then car stuff on Fridays. Either way, I'm not really sure, but oh, that was a rough startup. It looks like I'm gonna have to clear the code again. It's still present. All right, well, the struggle continues. Shovels it. And the battery's dead. I swear to God. God damn it! Okay, so I raced it with the car running, and everything is all right. I mean, it's running, it's not knocking. If anything, both of our cars have little lifter kicks going, but I don't know what that kicking is on right now. Is that a lifter kick? It sounds like it's like over here, like outside of the head. I don't know what the fuck that is. But I don't know, we got coolant. It looks like it's sucking the coolant. It's bubbling. So that's definitely bubbling. We're gonna have to put some more in. I see it bubbling back through. I don't know. Maybe we're in business, maybe not. I don't really know. We'll find out. Crusty brake's been sitting a minute. moments of truth, you know? Very important moments of truth. What you looking at? Never seen a motherfucker filming and driving before. Well, she's moving under her own will. Shifting nice. Everything's going so far so good. Oh, we need brakes so bad. Oh my god, they're horrible. Okay, so we fixed one thing, the engine issue, but for the rest of the vehicle, I don't know if it's necessarily safe to drive with her ass. She just rides people's ass and then slams the brakes. They do nothing. Holy shit, they do nothing when you slam them. Jesus Christ, it is. Okay, well, I don't hear any knocking. I mean, I don't know. I think we're okay, man. I think we're okay. As long as we don't go over temperature, I'm gonna let it run for a little bit, see what happens. But either way, I think that'll probably do it for this week's video. We got the new sensor in. We cleared the code. We might have been able to just clear the code. I don't know though, because when we cleared it with Eric, it just kept coming back. So having changed the sensor and then clearing it, we're in a good spot, I guess. Or it liked it more than the way that Eric did it. I don't know. It's almost half temperature at this point. I'm gonna let it keep rolling, and then yeah. So hopefully you all enjoyed. If you did, like, share, comment, subscribe. We'll be back next week, probably working on the Speed 6 shit, and I might go ride the bike and get some more bike videos. So I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.